Now we're going to focus on the little girl. Now this is her just here. The little girl, yes, Red. I know. She's having a bit of a drink. As you can see, she's a little bit bigger than him. She's going to be darker. I don't know the weights yet, but I'll try and get the weights up for you. I've got a few things to do today, so I may not get them up. Oh yes, little Patty. Come here, little Patty. Oh, look at her. There she is. Hello, darling. Oh, she's much more gentle than he is. He's so boisterous. She can be boisterous too, but not like him. Much like her mother, was he's much like her father. He's much like her father. She's much like her mother. There's no the tucker tin over there. What you doing, little girl? There she goes. Loves playing with Dad. Dad gets a bit sick of him after a while. What are you doing? What are you doing, little girl? Oh, yes. And the ears are starting to come up. They'll be up soon. Take a little bit longer than his. Because his are basically up today. First day that I've seen them, yesterday they were sort of half up, half down, but today they're pretty well up. She's with Dad. As you can see, she's got a softer nature. Dad gets sick of him after a while, he gives him a bit of a nip. So just being careful. Patty! Pop, 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 pop. Trying to get a good video here. It's not working. Red, piss off, will ya? Go away. Go on. Pop, 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 pop. She's a pain in the ass. Righto, you two. Enough. Trying to mount her. Puppy, puppy, little Patty. Here we go. There's some good views. Hello, little Patty. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, look at you. Look at you, little Patty. Yes. And little buffhead comes in, spoil the fun, doesn't he? Little buffhead comes in to spoil the fun. Yes. So, as you can see, she's got a beautiful head on her. She'll be a nice solid little pup. Along the veins of her mother, I think, but she's going to be bigger than her mother, I'd imagine. Yes. Alright, so there you have it. Oh, she loves chasing me boots. Mind you, can't say I haven't not stirred them up about it. They're into chasing me boot. Oh, you little rat bag. Worst thing you can do is leave your shoes out the back or give them old shoes, because then they'll just eat them all the time. I probably shouldn't be stirring them up now, but hey, you're going to get them, not me. Alright. There you go. There's little Patty. So that's it for today's little puppy update. We've got over here Stanley and over here little Patty. And they're with Dad. Red, be gentle. And they're in it. There you go. Puppy update. Oh yes, little Patty. Yeah.